Shailee. So I've come for Manali Kaisdhar Trek, and this is the first time Indiahikes is organizing this trail trek, and it's just beautiful. I'm so grateful that I get the opportunity to come here. So the first day, we went to a very small hike to acclimatize, and we went to the forest behind our campsite, and it was just beautiful. Indiahikes team guided us with the tree names. The second day was altogether different one, where we went to this soil village, and there was a surprise which Indiahikes team had for us, and it was not even an itinerary. So we went to a crystal waterfall, and the view from there was just amazing. The third day was little hiking, and we went to the Kaisdhar, and the trail is just gorgeous. We are in the forest, and we hiked a lot. We went to the campsite and pitched our tents. The third day, it was again a surprise, where we went to the night hike. We were not expecting, and surprisingly there was a full moon on that day as well, and we saw a lot of stars which we can't see in the cities. Fourth day, we are just walking to the nearby village and walking down hills, and I'm feeling little sad today because it's the end of a trek, and I don't want to end this trek right now. I just want to thank Indiahikes team to make this wonderful trek with so many surprises, and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much.